Applying tighter bounds in scipy.optimize.curve_fit. I have a dataset that I am trying to fit with parameters A, B, C, D that are within ±5% of the true fitting parameters. However, when I do this with scipy.optimize.curve_fit, I get the error value error column x0 is infeasible. Inside the least squares package. If I relax my bounds, then optimize.curve_fit seems to work as desired. I have also noticed that my parameters that are larger seem to be more flexible in applying bounds. I can get these to work with tighter constraints, but never below 20%. The following code is an numpy and has two sets of bounds, variable b, one that works and one that returns an error. I understand that optimize.curve_fit may need some space to explore the dataset to find the optimum spot. However, I feel that 5% should be enough for it. Maybe I am wrong? Is there maybe a better way to apply bounds to a parameter?
The value error of x0 is infeasible is coming because your initial values violate the bounds. Printing out the parameters values and bounds will show this. Basically, you're setting the bounds too cleverly, based on the first refined values. But the refined values are different enough from your starting values that the bounds for the second call to curve_fit mean the initial values fall outside the bounds. More importantly, what leads you to feel that 5% should be enough? Primarily, you should apply bounds to make sure the model makes sense, and secondarily to help the fit avoid false solutions. You're calculating the bounds based on an initial fit, so I doubt there's a strong physical justification for those bounds. Why not let the fit do its job?